How you doing, backers? Okay, for this video we are going to be making spicy scones. Okay, for this recipe you're going to need 75 grams of cubed butter, 350 grams of self-raising flour, 30 grams of chili pickle. Last time I made these I used Preheat chili pickle, but in this climate you've got to support your local businesses. So today I'm going to be using Bongo chili pickle, which is from Bongo Chilies. So I'll leave a link in the description for them in the descriptions thing, and also you need 150 grams of milk and 2 battered eggs. Okay, firstly what I'm doing is sieving in the flour. The reason I'm sieving this in is to filter lumps and stop a parasite getting into the mixture, which is known as weevils. Right, what I'm doing now is hand mixing the butter with the flour until it is all the butter and the flour is reduced to breadcrumbs. Right, so what you do now is in the middle of the mixture you make a well. Okay. And then you put about 4 tablespoons of the battered egg in there. And round about 75 grams of the milk. And also add the chili pickle as well. Okay, and stir it up. You're really supposed to stir it with a palette knife, but I find it easy with a spoon. I'm doing it in the backwards way so that none of the mixture will stick to the spoon. If you find the dough is not coming together, what you do is add a little more milk. Right, what I'm doing next is I'm going to knead the dough. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is roll it out. with a floured rolling pin on a floured chopping board into a rectangular shape. Ideally it needs to be 2 centimeters to the dough, 2 centimeters thick. Okay. Right, and now with a cutting circle, you need to. What you do now is cut shapes out with it and place it on a baking tray. Right, and with any remaining pastry that is left after cutting a lot of scones, you put it back together and re-roll it out and repeat the process. And what you do now is make a deep cross in the middle of each of them. Then with the remaining egg wash, with the remaining yolks, egg wash them with a pastry brush. And then you put them in the oven, preheated to 220 degrees or if it's a fan assisted 200 degrees, or gas mark 7 on a larger baking sheet, and it should be around about 10 minutes or until they have risen, the scones have risen and gone golden. Okay, so this should be the end result of them. Okay, so that brings about the end of my video. Okay, so if you're interested, if you have autism and interested in learning to cook and bake, or whether you're not autistic and you just want to bake and cook or whatever, then please do sub to this channel. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it and leave a comment, and as always, I have your back.